ABC Educational Channel.
Hello, kids. Welcome back to our English learning time. Today, we're going to learn about something very important in grammar, pronouns. Do you know what a pronoun is? Let's find out together. A pronoun is a word that we use instead of a noun. That means we use pronouns to avoid repeating names or things again and again. For example, instead of saying Anna is kind, Anna likes to play. We can say, Anna is kind. She likes to play. See? The word she is a pronoun. It takes the place of Anna's name. Let's learn some common pronouns. Singular pronouns. Here are some pronouns we use for one person or thing. I. When we talk about ourselves. Example, I am happy. You. When we talk to someone. Example, you are my friend. He. For a boy or man. Example, he is playing football. She. For a girl or woman. Example, she is singing. It. For animals or things. Example, it is a cute puppy. Plural pronouns. Now let's look at pronouns for more than one person or thing. We. When we talk about ourselves and others. Example, we are in the classroom. They. For people, animals, or things. Example, they are playing in the park. You. Can also be used for more than one person. Example, you are all my students. Review and fun practice. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I am happy. You are kind. He is tall. She is smart. It is small. We are friends. They are running. Great job. Awesome work, everyone. Now you know that pronouns are words we use to replace nouns, like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. Keep practicing every day to make your sentences sound smooth and fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you next time, kids. Bye-bye.